Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm with Hammy Moto. How are you today, sir?
Pretty good. Feel good about covering the Kleb's shift.
You are taking place of the club. Why don't you go jump in a bush?
No. I need about a gram of whatever he's doing to be able to do that.
Well, you need to join the Marines first. Hammy, you know where we're going to today?
No.
You kind of know, because when we were talking the other night, you said you wanted to eat Italian food. Yeah. So I got a special treat for you. Dude, I found the #1 ranking Italian restaurant in all of America. No bullshit. You're going to love it. Let's go. Oh, you put them on right.
I did.
I can't break your mirror now. Dude, you know what we can do today? Let's go go-kart racing. I haven't done that in a while, and I love that, man. Did I mention yet that it was hangover day? Hammy, you want to go go-kart racing?
Yeah, let's do it.
You think you're fast?
I know I'm fast.
Oh, shit. All right. I smell that round table. Love the smell of round table. You know what else smells good when you pass it? In-N-Out. Very distinct smell comes out of In-N-Out. It's amazing. Dude, I want a Red Bull. I need a Red Bull. I need a Red Bull. Look at this dude. Come on. Get off here. Come on, dude. It's a little windy for wheelies. What was that guy talking? These things aren't cheap.
So cool.
What's that?
I said so cool. Is that like your GoPro thing? Do you just like talk to it and all that? Great?
Yeah.
Here you go, my friend.
Thank you.
Okay.
See it. Have a Red Bull, Hammy Moto.
The greatest gift you can ever give to someone is wings.
I like those things. Rebel. A lot of cars at this light. It's a big gap, man. I don't understand that shit at all. Stick with me for a little bit and I'll tell you a little bit about the restaurant that we're going to today. Down the flames of hell, they take me, hope I drown in oceans of this tragic part of I thought I knew how to get to K1, but I don't.
Lost again. This isn't anything new.
Don't ever talk back to me, son.
Mr. Delinquent. People say the way you ride is pretty sick. Like it a remedy.
Dude, we're 9 minutes from this place. We're all right. Let's go. You don't have a stop sign, man. Getting it. I see you, sneaky cop. Slug bug. Pow. What is time left me? What is day? I'm getting lost my mind. Let me stay here one more lonely ferry. Okay, one time.
We'll be right back.
Alright, Hammy, what happened, dude?
So apparently, there's a new rule at K1 that we can't record on the track.
So, whatever. Rules are rules. It is what it is. I can't imagine why they wouldn't want people recording their experience at the track to share with other people. But rules are rules, man. It is what it is. Unfortunately, the only time I come here is whenever I'm making a video and I want to race a friend. So, I guess I won't be coming back. Alright, Hammy Moto, what do you want to do?
In the spirit of the season, Valentine's Day is coming up.
Valentine's Day is coming up.
So I would love to give a man or woman a lovely rose.
So you just want to get a rose and pass it out?
Yeah.
As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today. Mama D's. Mama D's was founded in 1995 by entrepreneur Diane Davidson, also known as Mama D. Diane isn't a native Californian. She's originally from Queens, New York. She's got 7 kids, a husband, and a real passion for cooking. She grabbed all her grandma's recipes, came out to California, set up shop, and now has one of the most successful restaurants in the nation. So Diane Davidson owns 3 restaurants, the most popular being Mama D's in Newport Beach, which is the one that we're going to today. This restaurant is unique. It's in Newport Beach, California, and it's the #1 ranked Italian restaurant in the United States, according to Yelp. It holds a 4.5 out of 5-star ranking on Yelp and has well over 4,000 reviews. Now, to be honest, there really isn't a whole lot of history about this place. It hadn't been open for 1,000 years or anything like that, but they got the winning recipe here, man, so that's where we're going. I'm excited. Hammy called me up, said he wanted to go out riding. I asked him what he felt like eating. He said, Italian. What they're super known for is their pink sauce. I don't know what the pink sauce is. I don't think it's a vodka sauce. I think it's more of a Alfredo and marinara sauce, kind of a mix. And that's one of the things I'm definitely going to order. That and the raviolis, man. I hear good things about the raviolis. Other than that, man, this place opens at 4, and if you're not there by 4, you're waiting in line, man. You're waiting. I don't want to wait in line, so This guy wouldn't even look at me. Thanks, buddy. You wanted a flower shop, dude. We got one. It's a big one. I kind of don't enjoy sitting around in a flower shop. Let's make your purchase and get on with it. You don't want to get a succulent?
I found something that's more of a prick than you are. You want to buy some pot?
Only if we can get some hose.
That was pretty good.
Washy, washy. Do that. Free and clear. Did you get a flower?
They don't have cut roses here.
In this whole entire place, you couldn't find one flower. We got to go to somewhere else. Mama D's! Mama D's nuts! It's a hell of a car there, sir. I'm gonna ride around the parking lot. I'll meet you back here though. Oh my god. I'm jumping. I gotta go get Hammy. We're gonna jump. You got your flowers.
I did.
I found something better than flowers. I found a jump. We're gonna go jump our bikes.
Those aren't better than flowers.
Yeah, it is.
Or anything like that. No, let's go jump our bikes, bro.
Yeah, let's go jump our bikes. Look at all these expensive cars. God damn. Here you go. Here you go. Happy Valentine's Day. This guy still won't even look at me. This is the guy we came across earlier. I'm inclined to think this guy's an asshole. Newport Beach, man. I love Newport Beach. It smells so clean. Why am I so lost? Here it is. All right. You ready for the best Italian food you've ever had in your whole entire life?
Yes.
All right, Hammy Moto, Mama D's. What do you think? Was it the best Italian food you've ever had?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes.
Dude, that means a lot. Every now and then I hit a ringer, man. And I agree. Dude, this place was good. So you got the chicken parmesan and the pasta and the pink sauce. What did you think?
Delicious. I really dug it. It was good.
They look good, man. I tried some of your pasta in the pink sauce. That pink sauce, I'm telling you, dude, they rave about it in that place, and I can see why, dude. It's so good.
I would come back and gladly pay for that.
Well, what did I get? I got the meat ravioli, and I loved it, man. I absolutely loved it. The garlic bread was a winner. Everything was a winner, man. Everything looked good, tasted good, the service was good. If I could afford it, I'd eat here every single day. All right, and with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Go check out Hammy Moto's version of today's events. I'll put the link to his channel in the description of this video. Make sure you check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. Get all the latest and greatest. I'm always adding new stuff there, as well as how to get this exhaust pipe. Make sure you support the channel sponsor, Voss Helmets, Metric Method Cycles, and of course the law offices of Henry Haddad. And I'll catch you guys later. Cue the bikini girl.